Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another little tips and tricks for you. After I did my eyeliner and lashes vid, I thought I would share something else that I struggled with for a long time, and that is my lips. So you might have noticed in some of my earlier videos that I overdrew my lips quite a bit, and I do that because my lips naturally, I do have some nude lipstick on but I haven't done anything else to them, just to start this off, are quite thin, and yeah, I just don't like them. And that's just a personal thing. Some people look gorgeous with thinner lips and some people look amazing with thicker lips. Like, everyone's different, but I personally don't like the way my lips look, and I'm sure there are a lot of people out there with whatever size lips they have who feel similarly. So I thought I would share some tips and tricks for changing the shape of your lips, overlining your lips, and just generally, yeah, making yourself feel a little bit more confident about them. So with that, let's jump right in. So I recently got a new lip liner in an ASOS order. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can get up in this grill. Hi, nice to meet you. Have I seen you here before? Okay, so, oh, why is this top doing this? So this is my new lip liner. It's a Lottie lip liner and it's in shade Fleek. So it's just kind of a nudie shade. And I'm gonna just go ahead and overline my lips. I'll do it slowly so you can just follow along the process. If you do have any questions, please comment below. I always start with the bottom and I go from the corner to the center, doing small strokes so I can see exactly what I'm doing with things. And yeah, so that's basically how I go in. So you can see already where my lip starts. It's quite thin. And I'm just gonna bring it to the corner. So you can see already that I'm going bigger than my natural lip is. And then I just tuck it, so just underneath my natural. And then I just bring that up onto my lip and make the line a bit thicker, so as to disguise the fact that I've overdrawn. The key thing I find with overdrawing your lips, oh, this is hilarious, is shape. So just make sure you keep that lovely rounded shape and you look good. So similar concept with the top. Where my lips naturally are quite flat, I'm going to bring them out a little and make them rounder. I want to make sure that I've got a really smooth, thick line so that when I do apply my lipstick, it doesn't bleed. So yes, I look like the Joker right about now, but stick with it, guys. It works. Make sure that you're happy with the shape that you've achieved. I'm happy with that. This is my go-to shape for my lips. And now I'm going to go in with my nude lipstick again and blend it out. I have seen some people who, with a darker lip liner, will just draw in some contour lines. This is meant to make your lips look plumper. If you're using a darker lip liner, you can do this, but if it's lighter than the lipstick you're using, then it'll make no difference whatsoever because you won't see it. Just a tip for you there. So now I'm going to go in with my new lipstick, my trusty Maybelline in Clay Crush 932, and I'm going to put that all over my lip. People tend to go with darker lip liner to the lipstick, and that's just how we roll. Make sure you get that lipstick everywhere. Blending it in with a lip liner. And there we go. So that is basically how I do my lips. If you have any questions about that, if you have any tips for me, because I know they're still not perfect, it's just the way that I'm happy doing them right now, and I thought I would share that with you guys. Please comment below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I am loving reading some of your comments, guys. Honestly, I am loving making this content. I'm loving hearing from you. So please, please, please leave me a comment. I'd love to reply. And I will see you in the next one. Love ya.